What is foreign policy? Foreign policy is one of the wheels with which the process of international politics operates. Foreign policy is not separate from the national policy, instead it is a part of it. It consists of national interests that are to be furthered in relation to other states. Almost all the states determine the course of their foreign policies within the limits of their strengths and the realities of the external environment. The non-political relations also fall in the scope of foreign policy. The term «foreign policy» has been defined in number of ways. Modelsky defines it as «the system of activities evolved by communities for changing the behavior of other states and for adjusting their own activities to the international environment». C. C. Rodi defines it as, foreign policy involves the formulation and implementation of a group of principles which shape the behavior pattern of a state while negotiating with contacting other states to protect or further its vital interests. Joseph Frankl writes that foreign policy consists of decisions and actions which involve to some appreciable extent relations between one state and others. Hugh Gibson defines foreign policy as a well-rounded, comprehensive plan, based on knowledge and experience, for conducting the business of government with the rest of the world. It is aimed at promoting and protecting the interests of the nation. This calls for a clear understanding of whose interests are and how far we can help to go with the means at our disposal. Anything less than this falls short of being a national foreign policy. In simple words, if we sum up all these different understanding of foreign policy, the foreign policy is the sum total of the principles, the interests and objectives which a state formulates in conducting its relations with other states.